Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 25, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.48. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects no change, standing at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a further decrease is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 43.66% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 59.54% to negative 35.70%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 25.95%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 86.41% to positive 46.40% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.11 and $33.48. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Strong Day for Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Stock price on Tuesday, rising nearly 9% to $22.87. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Stock price increased by nearly 9% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, moving up from $21.01 to $22.87. This marks a gain over 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 8.3%, ranging from a low of $22.13 to a high of $23.97. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by over 16% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 10 million more shares changed hands compared to the previous day, with a total of 13 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $291,091,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $79.38, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price stands at 71.19%, or $56.51, below the 52-week high of $79.38, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Trump Media and Technology Group is making headlines today as it partners with Crypto.com to launch a series of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, focused on Made in America investment strategies. This announcement has resulted in a significant surge in Trump Media's stock price, reflecting a jump of nearly 8% in morning trading and a subsequent gain of around 5.9% as the day progressed. The anticipated ETFs will not only highlight American-made products, but also leverage the growing interest in cryptocurrency investments, positioning the company favorably in a competitive market. This strategic move aligns with Trump's branding and past business ventures, reaffirming investor confidence and garnering increased market interest. The stock's rally could indicate short-term optimism, primarily driven by this innovative partnership. However, uncertainties remain, particularly surrounding the broader market context, including potential tariff implications from Trump's policies, which investors are weighing alongside this bullish sentiment. In the long term, the success of these ETFs will depend on market reception and regulatory developments in the cryptocurrency space. If managed effectively, this venture could establish Trump Media as a noteworthy player in the ETF landscape, providing substantial growth potential for its stock price in the years to come. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far it has risen by 19.3%. Further rises are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $24.82. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $20.77. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, further strengthening the overall negative outlook. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signals a sell from 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 42 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal just 2 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 26 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $22.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.84 between its high and low, representing an 8.3% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $23.83. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group meets its first support level at $22.27. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as an excellent entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is classified as a sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On March 11, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On March 12, 2025, Eric Swider executed another insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan also sold 300 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Based on the most recent 55 insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be positive with a ratio of 22.588. In total, insiders acquired 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in these 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.96, reflecting a decrease of 3.98%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom observed 8 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation has several positive indicators, but we still do not consider these sufficient to designate it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning hold or accumulate, while waiting for further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of March, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 12 cents and begin trading at $22.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.